because one girl come and dance. You know those parties you're going to? You're going to those parties. I went to a party. I didn't even know that they used to do that. And somebody was saying, you want take away? I think it's take away of food, though. I should take away of Birini. Take away of a human being. They go and call a woman, a full-fledged woman. I was at another party. And the lady was telling the guy, you know, your hotel room is upstairs. And then this guy is no, he's not a Christian. I surrender today that he's not a Christian. No, he's a Christian, but not a follower of the way. And then I looked at him and I said, what are you about to do? Are you not going? And he's married. I said, are you not going to go home? I said, why didn't your wife even follow you to this party? Oh, my wife. I said, you're not going to go home. No, my home is too far. So you want to go to the hotel. And you're eyeing this little. He was eyeing some little girls. And then my friend now made a statement. Oh, you know, Pastor Joy is here. He cannot be talking stuff like that. So they knew what they were talking about. They knew exactly what they were up to. They turned human being to take away. They reduced a woman to take away. Me, I'm busy carrying plate to carry ayamase and correct shaki and pomo to my house, which is my own takeaway, food. They reduced the women, the young girls that were there, to take away. Sad.